Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing a script I run every week for the purpose of gathering fundamentals and ratios for different stocks. This information is being gathered via the Trader API, so you will need access to Charles Schwab and their APIs. But as you can see from the table, I was able to pull information for about 13,000 different stocks. I have been collecting this data for a couple of months now as I try to come up with a script that combines the technical ranks along with their fundamental ranks and trying to see if we can find some alpha. So in the upcoming weeks, I'm going to be sharing those scripts with you. So it's important that you have this data available. So let's go ahead and go over that script. We're going to start off by requiring some packages, and in the next block from line 6 to 28 we're going to be reading in some files and building our ticker list. And I'm mainly interested in the constituents for index ETFs. If you're on Patreon, I'll go ahead and attach these binary files, but each of these ticker lists are coming from the table of constituents for each of these ETFs. We're going to source our Trader API functions in line 29, and we're going to pass in 1 through the length of tickers as a list in this lapply, and we're going to use our function called CS get instruments from our Trader API functions for each of the tickers, and we want fundamental data. So this will iterate, and this process does take a while to run, and a rough estimate would be around 4 to 5 hours to run. After the process is completed, we're going to skip over any empty list in case we were not able to pull fundamental data. We're then going to return this as a data frame and skip over any symbols that are NAs, and then finally just save this somewhere in your computer. So make sure you change the path in line 53, and I like saving my files using a date. So as I mentioned, I save these every week, and in the upcoming weeks I'm going to show you guys the script I have where we rank stocks using fundamental and technicals. So stay tuned for that. Well guys, this concludes the video. I'll leave a link down in the description area to my Patreon where you can find this script. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.